What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see your Instagram password even if you forgot it, or as a last resort, how to recover your Instagram password on iPhone and Android devices. Let's start with things to do in prior before you forget your password. Open your Instagram application and tap on profile icon at the bottom right, and then go to settings menu, tapping on these three lines at the top right. Then tap on Accounts Center at the top of the page and find Password and Security. Then tap on Saved Login and make sure this switcher is toggled on. This allows you to log into Instagram from all your iCloud devices without password. If you still need to see your password on iPhone, swipe through all your home screens to the app library and then search for the Passwords application. And tap on Passwords, unlock with your Face ID or fingerprint, then tap on All, tap on Instagram, and here you can tap on the password field to unhide this information and, by the way, copy your password. If you run an Android device, the way is a little bit longer. You need to make your way to Settings. For example, swipe down from the top and tap on this gear icon at the top right. Then scroll down to the Google Services menu. Here it is. Tap on Google. Then tap on your account name at the top of the page and on this button, Google Account. Then swipe left until you see Security tab. Tap on Security. Then scroll down all the way down to Password Manager. Tap on Password Manager and tap on Instagram. Unlock your screen with your PIN code, fingerprint or Face ID, whatever you use, and tap on this eye icon to unhide your password. Don't forget to secure your phone with reliable screen lock. And one more way to see your password is to use the web version of Instagram. To do this on your Android device or iPhone, go to a web browser, and here don't use Google search for Instagram because it automatically takes you to the application. Instead, tap on the search bar and type in exactly instagram.com. Then tap on Go, it takes you to the web version, and then tap on Login right under the Open Instagram button and tap either on your username or password field. And now you're suggested to fill password. Tap on Fill and then tap on Show over here. And that's it. And if none of above worked, like in my case, my credentials wasn't updated in the password application, you need to tap on Forgotten your password. Then in this field, type in your login, your username, and tap on Send Login Link. Okay, and then go to your email application and wait for email from Instagram. Once you got this email, go ahead and tap on that. Here you can just log in or reset your password. And that's it guys, hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel and be awesome. Bye guys.